Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily add someone to your best friend list on Snapchat. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you will be able to add someone to your best friend list on Snapchat very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Snapchat app icon and tap on your profile icon, which is located in the top left corner, and scroll down. And here in the section of friends, you'll see the option of my friends. Tap on that. And here you'll be able to see your friends list and select any friends that you want to add on your best friend list and hold on to it. And here tap on the first option. But to add someone to your best friend list, you have to activate Snapchat other extra features. And to add someone to your best friend list on Snapchat without activating other features, you just have to send snap to your friends and maintain your daily streak and chat with your friends. Then you'll be able to add your friends into your best friend list. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even one person, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.